Hello everyone and welcome back. 5 ingredients and 5 steps to make one of the many kind of Indian bread, chapati. You will need all-purpose flour, cooking oil, baking powder, table salt and hot water. You will also need a frying pan, a rolling pin and oil for frying. I've taken 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, a quarter teaspoon baking powder and half a teaspoon of table salt in a bowl. Add hot water slowly and mix well. Add as much as water as you would need. I've used about 100 milliliters of water. Knead gently to form a soft dough. Cover and keep aside for a few minutes. Remove small portions of flour to form small balls. Take each ball and roll them out to about 3 to 5 millimeter in thickness. Apply oil and spread it around and fold from the right, then the left and from the top and fold again to form a square like this. Repeat the same for all. It will look like this. Keep these covered. Take one by one and re-roll like this. To about 3 to 5 millimeters in thickness. Fry on a hot pan with a little bit of oil. On both sides. I hope you like this video. Please try out this Indian bread and let me know in your comments. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.